Hey everyone, welcome back. In today's video, we're going to look at the Quadratics chapter in pre-calc 11. So in different countries and different provinces, they have slightly different curriculums. And so we covered quadratics here in grade 10. We have some videos, but there might be some missing. And this video is to let you know that those missing videos are probably in the pre-calc 11 playlist. And I'll put a description to that in the link below. So this video, I'm going to show you what it is that we saw in pre-calc 11 so you know if you need to go see it or not. So let's get started. So first video is factoring ax squared plus bx plus c. Next video is studying quadratic functions. So we have general form here, ax squared plus bx plus c. And we studied the characteristics, so opens which way, intercepts, vertex, axis of symmetry, domain and range. And then from the graph that we had in general form, we also determined the characteristics like that. And from the equation in general form, we got the intercepts from factoring. In the next video, quadratics standard form, this is our standard form here, f of x equals a x minus h squared plus k. So we determined the vertex and we determined the same characteristics here from that function in standard form. Next, we determined the equation from vertex and intercepts, and we also determined the equation from 3 points. Next, we did general form to standard form, so completing the square. Next, we saw the origins of completing the square, where it comes from. Next, we did the derivation of the quadratic formula, and then we used the quadratic formula, we practiced using it. Then we practiced using the discriminant. We did sketching of quadratics, and then after that we did some problems involving quadratics. And so that's it. So if in the grade 10 playlist there's some videos missing, they might be what you're looking for in the pre-calc 11. And that's it. I'll see you guys in the next video.